semicolons. This video will teach you how to use semicolons accurately in your writing. So a semicolon is used to link phrases. Unlike a full stop, it shows a connection between the two phrases. Did you know that, like many types of punctuation, a semicolon should be read as a pause? The pause should be longer than a comma, but shorter than a full stop. Just to remind you that in your exam, you'll be assessed on Assessment Objective 6, and that says you must use spelling and punctuation accurately. There are two main uses of the semicolon. The first is to join two phrases that are closely linked. And you can also use it to separate complex lists. So, linking phrases. You can join two closely linked sentences using a semicolon instead of a full stop. He suddenly realised what today was. It was his birthday. This could be two separate sentences, but the semicolon demonstrates that they are closely linked. You can join two sentences together using a semicolon instead of a coordinating conjunctive. Remember, a coordinating conjunctive can be remembered by the acronym FANBOYS: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, or so. So the sentence, I have too much to do. I can't come out later. The semicolon is replacing the coordinating conjunctive so. Unlike a full stop, it shows that there is an important link between the two sentences. Or the sentence, the sound of the explosion filled the air. Her ears rang. Here, the semicolon is replacing the coordinating conjunctive and or a full stop. However, with the semicolon, it shows that her ears rang is directly linked to the explosion. It would be incorrect to use a comma here. You must remember never to use a semicolon and a coordinating conjunction. You can join two phrases together using a semicolon and a conjunctive adverb. Conjunctive adverbs examples include also, however, otherwise, consequently, similarly, thus, nevertheless, hence, moreover, and finally. So 30 centimetres of rain fell yesterday, semicolon, hence the road has flooded. Or food prices are rising at an alarming rate, semicolon. Consequently, the price of bread can increase from one week to the next. The semicolon always goes before the conjunctive adverb, and usually there is a comma after the conjunctive adverb. Semicolons can be used to separate lists if the items are phrases in themselves. She wore red wellies and a coat, a big light blue umbrella and a black hat. Because there is a comma within the clause a big light blue umbrella, using commas to separate this list would make it confusing. Her favourite foods were enchiladas with salads, fish and chips, roast dinner with all the trimmings, and curry. Each of the items in this list is a phrase, and the sentences is made clearer with the use of semicolons to separate the items. In summary, a semicolon can be used to join two closely linked sentences together, or to separate complex lists. Remember to only join sentences that are closely linked with a semicolon, and to only use a semicolon to separate a list if the items in the list are more than one word.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Check out more of our content and remember to subscribe to our channel.